How to target US audience for Amazon affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how you can easily target a US audience for Amazon affiliate marketing. First, research the demographics, interests, and preferences of your target US audience. Then understand their pain points, needs, and desires to tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. Next, select products or services that appeal to the interests and needs of the US audience. Consider popular categories such as technology, fashion, health, and lifestyle, and choose high-quality products with a strong reputation. Develop content that resonates with the US audience. Use American English, cultural references, and topics relevant to US customers. Consider local events, holidays, and trends to make your content more relatable. Then use SEO techniques to improve your website's visibility in US search engine results. Target keywords relevant to the US audience, optimize meta tags, headings, and content, and consider creating location-specific landing pages. Utilize social media platforms popular in the US, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to reach your target audience. Engage with users, share valuable content, and run targeted ads to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Then collaborate with influencers or content creators based in the US to promote your affiliate products. Choose influencers with a large following and audience engagement in your niche to maximize the impact of your marketing efforts. Build an email list of US subscribers interested in your niche and send targeted email campaigns promoting affiliate products. Next, provide valuable content, exclusive offers, and personalized recommendations to encourage conversions. Track the performance of your affiliate marketing campaigns targeting the US audience using analytics tools. Monitor key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated, and optimize your strategies based on insights gained.